I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Say hi, Uncle Rob. Say hi, Uncle Rob. Rookie, say hi. Say hi, Uncle Rob. Rui. Yo, cow. Are you a cow? Say, I'm a cow. Erebus, are you a cow too? He's like, no, I'm a bull. I'm a bull cow. Honeybee. She definitely was a fucking cow in a former life. She's gotta be. Really, you gonna roll? I'm a cool. Oh, good boy. It's like I had to piss. I had to piss a lot.
Good boy.
Honey, what is so fascinating in there? She's like, I'm older than you, woman.
Honey, now. Honey.